How come you didn't use the full shaft, man?
What, wait?
You're putting the head in.
Oh my goodness. Let's see what the hell we got here. Let's rip it. Rip it good. It's a nice spot to set up. Perfect. Kind of nervous. It's a lovely park bench overlooking a bando. It's meant to be.
Cause even kings gotta eat, even kings gotta dream. Gotta tap these waters before we head downstream. The pack is hanging from the sycamore tree, but the dream keep on, keep on, keep on. For the road, for the road, for the
It's beaconing up there, you hear it?
Oh, is that him?
Yeah. And the hawks are circling it. No. Because it's dead. It's dead meat.
Sam, it looks broken!
Yeah, for all the things I've seen to get down a quad, a potato launcher seems like the...
Hey, Sam!
Probably not the best idea, but... All right.
It's not a potato launcher, it's a DRU, a drone recovery unit.
Now that what is it?
A drone recovery unit.
Oh my.
Alright guys, KZB FPV here. I know you've tried all different kinds of ways to get your things out. You've tried the old slingshot method. That doesn't work. But I'm here to show you what does work. It's the DRU. Air-powered beast, 160 PSI with optional scope. This will get anything out of any tree.
Sam, it's right there!
That's right.
Yep.
I can see it!
Good job, buddy.
Holy shit.
I don't know why you're getting so upset.
Oh.
I am not upset.
This guy needs to learn how to better manage his emotions.
I have no emotions anymore at this point of the day. I am getting into full-fledged zombie mode here.
Well, Sam really did it this time.
Beat it like it wasn't money.
Listen to the
As
hits,
fast as you can.
and then you aim it. So we gotta, hold on, get this like,
You gotta power the wind.
Hold on, let's let
where
this
you're
truck go
aiming
by.
now.
I know. I'm going like this.
This guy's probably like, what the f are you doing?
Aim it over your shoulder, dude.
Yeah, I gotta,
Put it
yeah.
on your shoulder so you can sight down it. We're gonna go like this. And I just hit it this way?
Yeah, you are so off base though. If you're
No, I know because the wind blew it way that way last time.
No,
No,
you're just gonna totally miss it doing it right there.
Yeah, the wind is coming from that way, so it's possible.
Wind don't matter. Wind's
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. There we go.
Yeah. No shit. It's perfect. I wake up and piss excellence, guys.
You and your ego are aggressive.
Yeah, why is he up there?
Because he's gonna grab it and then, you know.
Oh, you're nuts, man. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Go!
Oh.
Throw it and he'll rearm it midair.
Catch your fucking.
Yeah, grab your remote control so you can throw it and you can rearm it. Sam, go get the remote control. Sam!
Smarter out underneath than you are.
I start all your words. Sam! I'm gonna let you pull it back through. Oh, you're gonna get stabbed. Nice catch.
Can you get down?
And it's still recording.
It's pretty impressive.
I would have been next.
Yeah, let's not do that.